everyone, and let's check out two exciting small cap companies with big growth plans, Inox India and Mondana Engineering. First up, Inox India. They have been making cryogenic tanks and systems in 1976. And now the big news is that Inox India has received the approvals from Henken and AB InBev for its beer kegs made at the Savli plant, opening the doors to collaborate with these global brewing giants. They have a tech partnership with Italy's Supermaton Group and FSSC 22000 certification, which is the first in Asia. And with global keg demand at 4 to 5 million yearly, Inox plans to make 3 lakh kegs within 1 to 2 years. Talking about the financials, FY25 revenue grew 15.2%, reaching to Rs 1,306 crores with strong 16.8% net profit margins. And for FY26, they expect 18 to 20% growth revenue and EBITDA margins improving to 22 to 24%. Now talking about Mondana Engineering, they do construction work for telecom and solar companies. Well, the big news here is that Mondana Engineering's order book has exploded. Starting with a rupee 204 crores Telangana government order, then a huge rupees 9,000 crore order received on May 25, 2025, taking their total order book to nearly rupees 14,000 crores. They nearly doubled their FY25 revenue to rupees 1,571 crores with net profit margin jumping to 7.3%, and for FY26, they are targeting rupees 2,600 crores revenue with a long-term goal of rupees 1 billion crores by 2030. The battery storage market is growing 27% yearly and they plan to install 2 gigawatt of battery capacity. So here is the choice. Inox India breaking into the global beer keg market with strong margins, or Mondana Engineering riding the renewable energy wave with a huge order book. Which growth story excites you more? Let me know in the comments and follow for more updates.